Welcome to APAC Braid Academy. In today's lesson, we're learning how to section the hair like a professional. Let's begin. All right, let's begin by creating 4 large sections. One part down the middle here, and then the second part going ear to ear. Let's begin. Now, if you're unsure of where the middle part is, go from the nose all the way here and then to the apex of the head, which is the top of the head. Let's begin. We're going to create 4 sections. Remember, all the way down to the back. So we're creating 4 boxes. Okay, then you're going to hold this hair here, and you're going to go from ear to ear, and that's how you're going to create your boxes. And then we're going to do a check together to make sure we had it correct. And remember, we're going to take our clips to section each section. Now, as you section the hair, always step back and look from each direction to make sure that you do have the sections all even. Okay? So let's do a quick check on our parts. Down the middle. Ear to ear. There should be 4 boxes there. And we got it, ear to ear. This wraps up today's lesson. Practice sectioning the hair before going on to braiding. Thank you for attending APAC Braid Academy.